What up, online boss in the house. I'm a boss, you're a boss, we all online bosses. Look at this beautiful view here, guys. This can be you easily. It's not hard, guys. It's not hard. As I said many times, to make $10,000 a month is simple. And I'm gonna teach you guys many tricks on this channel how to make $10,000 a month. Currently, I'm doing about $100,000 a month in my company. And I say all the time, even just one section of my company, anybody can do. But that's for another video. Guys, I did a TikTok about this, but I wanna do, as a YouTube, I wanna be a bit more in depth. So, 3 things that's keeping you poor, okay? First thing is, guys, very important, shiny object syndrome. So yeah, before I continue, I've done this on my TikTok, but I want to be more in depth on my YouTube. My YouTube's Online Boss. I'm going to teach you guys how to become an online boss, teach you guys how to make money, the narrative, the trends. So keep watching, guys. You're going to learn a lot. Shiny object syndrome basically means that you get into one particular industry or one particular niche and then you pivot before you're successful, right? Always remember this, guys. What actually focus means. Let's break it down. Focus. Focus on one course until successful. What you guys tend to do, what I used to do, is we listen to these big entrepreneurs and we hear them say, have 5 streams of income. Yes, streams of income, passive income, not work 5 completely different hustles and hustling 24/7 yourself, or jump from one thing to the other, to the other, to the other. No, that's not 5 streams of income. That's chaos. What you need to do, guys, find one stream of income, master that, focus on one course until successful. Soon as you master that one, outsource the work, right? Then scale it first, scale it, outsource the work, then start your other side hustle. Okay, guys, very, 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 very important. Okay, number 2, guys, this is what I learned this a long time ago. Education over entertainment. So much of you guys will sit down and you just watch Netflix and watch this movie or that movie or football or this. Yeah, okay, take a little time off here and there. Personally, I don't. I would say my time off is going to the gym, which we all should be doing, or having a walk. But overall, guys, work is life. Like, work is my lifestyle. Okay, so swap everything. Every time you think, just program it, guys. Every time you think, oh, I'm watching Netflix, no, educate yourself. Oh, I want to do a bit of that course. Do a bit of that course. Buy a course, learn a skill. Even if he's watching a YouTuber that talking about inspiring you, at least, is better than watching a Netflix movie that's doing nothing for you. At least watch a video to inspire you and motivate you, okay? Follow the right people on social media that inspire you, not people that are just like doing nothing, just jumping off freaking bolts and backflipping and doing crazy things, whatever they're doing. That's entertainment. Focus on education over entertainment. Okay, guys. Number 3, you are the average of the 5 people that you are around. Have you heard that saying? Very popular saying, guys. Have you heard it? Okay. Look in your circle and see who you actually are around, right? Because I'm telling you, you will become one of those people. If you want to be successful, make sure you're around successful people. Even deeper, it's hard to just Christian, I can't just find successful people. Where do they come from? Guys, even deeper than that, just be around yourself. Just be around yourself. Don't be afraid or scared to be by yourself. Sometimes that is the best way. It's better to be by yourself, guys, than be with someone that's going to drag you down. That's going to bring you down and not bring you up, okay? So check yourself today. See who you're around. What are they talking about? Who are they talking about? Are they be gossiping? Are they just talking about movies, films, gossiping about your other friends? That's not going to get you anywhere in life. Or are they talking about making money? Are they talking about moving to another country? Are they talking about anything to do with progress and anything that's going to empower your life? Just check the people that you are around. And if they're not lifting you up, they're lifting you down. There's a saying that if something's not going up, it's going down, right? If you're not growing, you are dying. Nothing keeps still. Same thing with your friends. If they're not lifting you up, they're pushing you down. All right, guys, if you like that, subscribe to this channel. Remember, I'm the online boss. I'm going to help you guys become an online boss through education, through giving you tips and tricks to actually make money and to inspire you guys. All right? So if you like this, subscribe to the video. And to the next one, guys. Peace out.